Willem Caswell Maseko, who was killed by wife, was a member of presidential cartel. See pictures. Flushing money. Mr. Willem Caswell Maseko, 30, who was stabbed to death by wife Itumeleng Maseko. He was found lying in the bedroom, bleeding profusely. He was declared dead on scene by a paramedic that attended the scene. Stab wounds were found on his body. The presidential cartel is the epitome of black excellence and enjoying the finer things in life. A life of jet-setting, sports cars, traveling, classy gifts, designer clothing, champagne breakfasts and fine dining. The crew, known as Presidential Cartel, has been receiving heavy criticism on social media from people who say they are full of show-offs. It's not showing off, it's affordability.
Yeah.